In recent years, artificial intelligence has made significant strides in revolutionizing the field of security. Its rapid evolution and innovative applications have empowered industries and organizations to fortify their defenses against an increasingly complex landscape of threats. One of the most notable advancements is AI's role in threat detection and prevention. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast volumes of data, enabling early identification of anomalies and potential breaches. This proactive approach allows security teams to respond swiftly and mitigate risks before they escalate, safeguarding sensitive information and digital assets. Moreover, AI-powered cybersecurity systems have demonstrated exceptional proficiency in pattern recognition. They can discern intricate patterns in user behavior, helping differentiate between legitimate actions and malicious intent. By constantly learning from new data, these systems enhance their accuracy, minimizing false positives and reducing the burden on security analysts. AI-driven authentication mechanisms are also on the rise, replacing traditional methods with more robust and secure alternatives. Facial recognition, biometric authentication, and behavioral analytics contribute to seamless yet formidable safeguards. These mechanisms are much harder to forge, for the unauthorized access and ensuring data integrity. In the realm of cryptography, AI has contributed to refining encryption techniques and enhancing cryptographic key management. Through advanced algorithms, AI can predict potential weaknesses in encryption models, prompting experts to develop more resilient solutions. Additionally, AI assists in generating and managing cryptographic keys, reducing the risk of key-related breaches. The intersection of AI and threat response has expedited incident handling and recovery. AI-driven bots can instantly analyze and classify threats, guiding human responders with real-time insights. This synergy expedites decision-making and bolsters the overall incident response process. As AI continues to evolve, the ethical dimensions of security gain prominence. Ensuring AI itself remains secure and untampered becomes paramount, as adversaries may exploit vulnerabilities within AI systems. Striking a balance between AI's autonomous decision-making capabilities and human oversight is crucial to maintaining the integrity of security measures. In conclusion, the remarkable strides made by artificial intelligence in the field of security are transforming the way organizations protect their assets. From early threat detection to robust authentication and incident response, AI's multifaceted applications are reinforcing defenses against an ever-evolving array of risks. However, a vigilant approach to AI security and ethical considerations remains essential to fully harness its potential and secure the digital landscape.